Ho, 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 ho!
How to make a Christmas card? We need a sheet of paper, I took a blue one, green and brown crayons, small colorful pompons, a yellow star, 2 markers, 1 pair of plastic eyes, 1 glue stick. It will be necessary to glue the plastic eyes and pompons. 1. Fold your sheet in half. 2. Draw a big Christmas tree in the middle of the sheet. 3. Glue plastic eyes in the middle of the Christmas tree and glue the yellow star at the top of the Christmas tree. 4. Draw a smile under plastic eyes. 5. Glue small pompons around your Christmas tree and the first page is ready. 6. Write Christmas wishes inside your Christmas card. You can draw small stars underneath to fill the empty space, and your card is ready.
We wish you and your family a joyful and healthy Christmas, spent in love and peace.
May all your dreams come true. We wish you happiness and prosperity in the oncoming year.
Ho, 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 ho!